Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a clean the fridge with me and organize video. I am not going to tell you that it's going to be like Pinterest worthy and, you know, very, very immaculate, because that's just not what we're going for. I'm going to be realistic with you guys. I'm going to make it as functional as my family would like it. But one of the things that I absolutely hate to do in the world is clean my fridge. I love cleaning. Cleaning to me is very therapeutic. I enjoy it. It brings me happiness. It cleanses everything. It's just something I truly love. However, the refrigerator is one of those tasks that I avoid as much as possible. It is just not something that I really love. So, with that being said, we're going to tackle this today. We're only doing the fridge section, not the freezer. I'm not even going to try with the freezer. It's a little much. My sister and I went to Marshall's yesterday, and I got a couple of little things. I got this one here. It's a fridge, freezer, pantry bin. It's a really decent size. So I'm gonna get these washed and take the stickers off or whatnot. And then this was a 3-pack, but my sister actually kept one of them. She actually bought these. This one was on clearance for $13 at Marshall's. So that's nice and deep. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and see how we utilize that to make the refrigerator organized much better, because it really doesn't have much organization, if I'm going to be real with you guys, and you'll see here in a minute, because I'm just going to keep it 1000 with you guys. Also, I did get a haircut. My sister calls it a Karen cut. I'm like, thanks, sis. But it's second day hair today. I'm not even gonna, it is what it is, you guys. No makeup. It's who I am. But basically, I wanted to even out my mop because it had grown out from the pixie cut, and it was just, it was bad. I mean, you guys have seen it. And so I just wanted to give it something. And it's actually really cute when it's washed and, you know, actually bouncy and stuff. But let me know what you guys think. I'm actually digging it. I think it's super cute. I love it. It gives me a little... Anyway, so let's get to the fridge, because that's what you're here for. So anyway, thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks, guys. Well, guys, no judgment, but here is the before look. It is a legit a hot mess. There is no organization whatsoever, and there are just things pretty much wherever we can stick them, we put them in there. Like I said, I'm going to do my best to organize. It's not Pinterest worthy by any means, but it's definitely going to get cleaned and organized as best as possible.
It's the least I can do. You know I was trying, it was never enough. I needed somebody, but it got too much. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you. But hear me out and give me a chance to say it out loud. Pray for me while I pick up the pieces, turning things around. got you by my side. A million reasons for me to see clear, and you're in the middle, so I feel no fear. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you, but hear me out and give me a chance to say it out loud. Pray for me while I pick up the pieces, turning things around, and maybe things will get better. So wait for me on the other side. Wait for me on the other side. You give me hope with everything that you do. I make so much progress when I'm here with you. You hold all the pieces, all of me in your hands. Wait for me while I pick up the pieces, turning things around, and maybe things will get better. So wait for me on the other side. Side.
So as you guys can see, I'm doing section by section, and literally it is trial and error, just trying to see how I like things, what I feel is going to be functional, what I feel is going to work out, what I feel my family's going to like, and sticking to what ultimately feels right. Back in the days, I used to take everything out of the fridge, clean it all, and then put everything back. Now I actually prefer to do section by section. I'm not sure how you guys do it, but that's just how I do it. Then I realized that the condiments are just better on the side how I had it before, and then we're gonna do the drinks on the top like I had initially, except for this time we're gonna do the organization bin for the water bottles. So again, like I said, you guys, it's just a bunch of trial and error. And I'm not sure if you caught on, but I had so much leftover food and just things in little containers that I had no idea were even in the fridge. So I'm sure I'm going to get asked, so I'm going to go ahead and address it. Oh, why are there bags in your fridge? My husband does the grocery shopping. He loves it. I actually do not. So he just kind of throws things in the fridge, and, you know, I deal with it. I look for things, and that pretty much concludes how it has always been. And so there's really never been much rhyme or reason to how we have the fridge. And I decided to finally get some organization going somehow, because it needed to make a little bit of sense. So in the container, we went ahead and added like our yogurts, our little peach cups, tortillas. Y'all know that we are a Latino household. My husband is half Caucasian, but that's a whole nother story. But anyway, it adds quite a bit of organization. We just pull out the container to get what we need. And then in this drawer, we have all of our meats and whatnot, you know, sandwich meats, hot dogs, bologna. Then we have like our little packages of nuts and cheeses and things that we pack for lunches and whatnot. I must admit that I'm so glad that I finally went through with getting this fiasco organized. And like you see here, I mean, quite literally, they're just bags on bags and just random things thrown in here. My son and his friends make us homemade jam all the time, so that's why there's all these containers. They're so delicious, but again, they were just kind of scattered all over the fridge. So it is just really good to, you know, get everything cleaned up and get some organization. Now we do have we have a couple fruit baskets outside, but we actually like to have our fruit in the fridge. I am just curious, do you guys have your fruit inside of the fridge, or do you keep all of your fruit outside? I know every family is a little different, and we kind of have a combination of both in my family.
Do you believe? Straight from a party, we're all on a roll tonight. Women be sparky, all the men be dancing right, moving my body, clubbing feels so sweet. We turn and turn and turn again. We turn and turn and feel the heat. Straight from a party, music's coming your way. I will be smiling, you'll be so fine. Do you believe there's a young world in my heart, telling me to dance, taking a chance? If you believe there's a young world come about, young world shaking the ground. Straight from a party, clubbing till the morning break, moving your body, talking to my soul. And I got all my sisters to the right, we'll be moving till the break of light. And I got all my brothers within sight, turning till the clock will strike 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty people dance, pretty baby darling. Pretty people dance, pretty baby darling. Pretty people dance, pretty baby darling. Pretty people dance, pretty people dance. Do you believe there's a young world in my heart, telling me to dance, taking a chance? If you believe there's a young world come about, young world shaking the ground.
Well, you guys, like I said, it is definitely not Pinterest worthy, but it is functional, clean, and as organized as my family likes it. I had a bunch of stuff to clean up afterwards, all the stickers that were on the labels of those containers, and just the stuff that came off of the jars and the fridge. So I ended up cleaning my kitchen afterwards, but I really love the way that this turned out. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye, guys.